Jesus! Oh my god, dude.
I think your propane tank's leaking, dude.
No. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. So, last video is full of negativity. This one, we're back at it again. So we're still waiting on new cam bearings. I'm waiting on a response from Summit to see if we can figure something out with this cam bearing tool. Hopefully we'll get a new one. I don't care if it's the same one. It was working nicely. Like it was working really good, wasn't it, Justin? Like,
yeah.
With those new cam bearings, it was working exactly like how it should have worked, and then it broke, and then it ruined that cam bearing. And anyways, we're not gonna be touching this today. What we are gonna be doing is working on the body. So we got all of our pins in place. So what I'm gonna do is apply Bondo and make sure to seal up all of the edges so everything is nice and snug to the body. There's areas where it's missing a lot, like a decent amount. But yeah, gonna be doing that. In the meantime, while I'm working on the body, Justin is actually gonna be assembling the pistons and rods. So we don't have any rings for him yet. We're just gonna assemble the rods to the pistons. So I'm gonna show him how to do the first set, and once that's done, he's gonna run and do all 8. So front, back, gonna open up this. You're gonna apply assembly lube. So be pretty generous with it. So get it all the way around. Just like that. Seat it all the way through.
And then a pin goes in.
Yep.
And then they're closed.
Yep.
So they're not too bad to take apart.
No, it doesn't. But
nice.
so on some of these, we actually realized that we had the dish flopped. So some of these were facing the opposite direction. I think it was just 2, right?
Yeah, it was just 2.
It was just 2. So we got those fixed now. We have our pairs.
Should have shown the kit.
The what? Oh yeah. Yeah, and then as Justin was doing this, I went ahead and filled in the gap with Bondo around the whole Rocket Bunny kit. So you can go ahead and show them.
Yeah, it's sealed off pretty well.
We're just really hoping that the Bondo doesn't stick to the masking tape. So it's gonna be interesting, but we'll see what happens.
Or that the Bondo doesn't crack when we pull it off.
Right. That's gonna be interesting. So are we gonna, let's tie this together with the assembly of the pistons, and that way it'll be like a nice short video of getting this done and getting those pistons assembled. I think that'd be good, right?
Alright, so you can just say we just got done assembling the pistons, some bull crap.
Alright guys.
Alright guys.
So I just gotta...
Just talk into it. Don't. All right, guys. We just got done. We
just got done assembling the pistons. Fucking go. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't assemble the pistons. Justin did. I just double checked them, but I was actually trying to fit his spoiler, and the fitment on this thing is just a piece of shit. So that's what you get for ordering from eBay. But hey,
I order.
I know. Well, I'm saying that's what you get. Like, as in me, I ordered it. Hey, it was a birthday gift.
Yeah, that's true.
So anyways, bought from eBay. I was like, whatever. You know, hey, we're working on a budget here.
Yeah, that's
right?
true.
So that's all that matters. Fitment is shit. So I cut like a big hole underneath that just to get this to fit. It's working on it. As a result, it looks like I've been crawling in ashes. Started creating too much dust in here. Can't work outside because it's like...
It's Michigan.
It's 15 degrees out right now, maybe. So I stopped because this is too important right now. And we have some news.
Lapse
So let's take a look over here.
Wow.
You guys see that?
What is that? I don't know if you can see it.
Here, back off a little bit. Is it? What is that? Oh,
it's an unharmed bearing.
So we figured it out. So it was like, alright. So it was maybe 50% our fault and 50% the tool's fault. What do you think, Justin? Maybe like 70% our fault.
I think it's 70% our fault. And there's no denying it.
Okay. So when we're installing these bearings, first time around, we got Gen 4 bearings. Wrong size, I get it. So we messed up 2 of them trying to install them. This one, we damaged it. We're trying to install this one, damaged it. These 3 are not installed for sale.
Free shipping in the United States.
What? What'd you say?
Free shipping in the United States.
Okay. So then I ordered the Durabond bearings. It's like, yeah, CH10. Yeah, it works. Then, so as we were installing the first set, we're like, hey, you know, like there's a slight flat area, I guess you want to call it that. So one side is completely chamfered. It's like very sharp. Some people complain about burrs being left on it. The other side is flat. It's nice and clean, nice and machined. So when we were gonna install them, we're like, okay, we have to make sure that the flat side is against this tool over here, so the tool doesn't try to slide in there with the chamfer. So we're like, okay, yeah, we're gonna do that. We banged it in there, we took it out today, and we put it in the wrong motherfucking way. The wrong way. Got our new sets of bearings, and now we made sure that we did it the right way, and it came out
and
perfect.
$60 later.
Yep.
We got
60 bucks. 60 bucks later, we got it right.
$60
So,
later and some ripped
But
pants.
the reason why I said, oh yeah, now maybe 120 bucks.
Yeah.
So it was partially our fault and partially not our fault. Because if you guys remember in the last video, if you guys saw the last video, the damn tool actually broke. So there's like little spacers that go in here. And in the previous one, they were like cast iron. Where do they go? That's not it.
It's that one. No, it's that one.
It is this one.
It's that one. Check on the cone.
Where is the cone?
Or check underneath the black rubber pieces. Move the black rubber pieces.
So, take a look at this. This is just like,
Destroyed.
I think this is what you would call like ductile iron. Like it's very like soft, like cast iron. We bought the same exact tool from Amazon. And if you take a look at this, look at that.
Dude.
That's like forged steel or something
that's
else.
Like steel.
So, definitely got screwed here. I bet you they changed that design because of this. Bet you that's an older tool. So this broke, ended up fucking up our bearings. Plus on top of that, we were gonna fuck it up.
Anyway.
So like, I'm blaming it on the tool.
The second pair, not the first one.
No, the second pair too.
No, but then the first one wasn't even the right bearing. So no, maybe no, it was 100% not our fault.
Yeah, 100% not our fault. So I'm super happy, dude. Super happy. Well, I guess I'm not gonna jinx it. We still have to put in 4 more, but I definitely feel a lot better about it now.
Yeah,
like
'cause those other ones are smaller.
way better. So I think, should we just continue with this one instead of open? I mean, we're gonna have to use one from that box anyways, which sucks.
Yeah.
You know, like unless.
I mean, we don't have a choice, so.
Yeah. So I guess I'll just use this one. See, the thing that's a little concerning is that. Fucking shit your pants. You definitely ruin them now. So, with the middle bearings. Oh my god. Oh Oh my God! Dude! Jesus! Oh my God, dude.
I think your propane tank's leaking, dude.
Dude. That doesn't even smell as bad, dude. Jesus Christ, dude.
I'm fucking dying.
Oh my God. Alright, I think we're good. Alright, so going back to this. So here, both of these sides have that chamfer. Like, there's really like no flat side. They're pretty sharp. So this one looks like it's like the most rounded one. So we're gonna go with this side. And yes, on this bearing, there's 2 holes. The other one is over here. I shine light through the oil passageway, and we got oil.
Light
shining through the hole. Jesus Christ. Well, what do you say? Should we give her a banging?
Yep.
So then once this is done, dude, you know what's gonna happen next?
I can rip this other side.
Nope. We're going to put in your crank.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Put in your crank,
And then cam.
plastic gauge everything,
What the fuck is a plastic gauge?
so you can measure clearances with your rods. Alright, ready? Going in anymore?
Yeah, it's going on. Slowly but surely, dude. I'll tell you when you're flush.
Damn. Dead damn center, dude. How's she looking?
Smooth.
Cool, guys, so we successfully got the second one in there. Everything looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and put the remaining 3, and then we'll crank the camera back on. So we got all the cam bearings in, and we actually ended up knocking out 2 of them because there was a slight little like nick on it. Not like a nick, but it was like, I think it was from like the tool again.
Yeah.
But anyways, the last 3 came out perfect. The one that we ended up removing was actually, I think, was it the center one?
Yeah, that's the center.
Yeah, the center one. And then the rest are fine. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just slide this cam bearing, or cam bearing. So used to that shit. Cam in now. Just to make sure that it slides in nice and smoothly, rotates. So we're in there. That feels nice and smooth, dude. Look at that. It's awesome. I'm barely using any force either. That's legit. I'm so glad that's done, dude.
I'm glad.
This was probably the biggest challenge so far. I think the next challenge is probably going to be plastic gauging, just because we've never done it before. But with everything, we're learning. So let's take this out. We'll wrap it up, and that'll be it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next Tuesday. Almost out. I'll go from here this time.